Ever waste minutes hunting for snacks or lids? Here's a tiny trick that flips your day in seconds. The problem is a cluttered kitchen that steals time and steals peace during busy mornings. Grab a shallow baking sheet and stand up the flat lids like pages while tucking containers into the rack. This simple setup creates an instant grab zone, saving minutes, reducing waste, and preventing morning stress for good. Try it today and share the magic with a friend who hates rummaging in the fridge as much as you do.